Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to convert a multiple JPG to PDF file. So first of all, go on the search bar and type JPG to PDF. Now go on this website, I love PDF. From here select JPG images. I'm selecting these files. Now if you want you can add more files by clicking over here. Okay, now you can select page orientation over here. Make sure to check this box, merge all images in one PDF file and click on convert to PDF. Click on download PDF. Now as you can see, the result is in front of you. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.